State Cabinet has resolved to hand over missing case of Laishram Kamalbabu to Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) after disappearing from Laishram military camp, which is considered as highly secured area. The decision was taken during a cabinet meeting chaired by Chief Minister N. Biren yesterday. The government has decided to hand over the case to CBI so as to seek more detailed and independent investigation as concerns over his disappearance have mounted. The cabinet also discussed and approved 8 agendas. It may be mentioned that Laishram Kamalbabu, hailing from Gosaipur village under Kasar district in Assam, was last seen entering the 57 Mountain Division in Laishram, Kangpokpi district. He worked as a supervisor for contract work with the Military Engineering Services (MES) at the Laishram military station.